Hi all, this is Debashmita and today I'm talking about something related to kids, especially for kids' health. Before that, let me tell you this: if as a parent, if you don't have a healthy habits, if you guys are frequently eating out, if you guys are ordering pizza, burger and all, and your kids are end up eating all those things, because kids don't do what you tell them to do. Kids do what they are seeing, what their parents are doing, they are going to do the same. Correct. So let's talk about how we help our kids to start developing some eating habits. Okay. So first thing, you can do this, you can keep changing the fruits and vegetables what you are giving to your kids. If you end up giving every day the same fruits and vegetables, obviously your kids are going to get bored with all those things. Correct. So next thing, what you can do, you can cut those vegetables in different shapes, so it will make them attract towards eating. And what you can do, while if your kids are old enough, you can involve your kids while you are cutting the vegetables, while you are cooking, so that they will feel like that they prepare something. Correct. So it will attract them to eat more. And one more thing, what you can do, you can involve your kids to know how nutrients helps in your body, how it help us to live healthy, all those things. Correct. And one more thing, what you can do, last but not the least, is that if your kids are not eating, if your kids are not love to eat healthy foods, keep trying, don't give up. Keep trying, and believe me, your kid is going to eat all those things, because it is scientifically proven that if you frequently eat junk, it will create craving of junks. Correct. You will end up eating more. But if you start eating healthy, it will help you to eat more and more healthy foods. With this, I am done. I hope I can add some value to your life with this happy parenting. Bye bye.